Okay, one more example, and hopefully an easy one, a snow example. Suppose it is currently snowing 1 inch an hour, but it's slowing down by 1/10 of an inch an hour each hour. How much snow will accumulate in the next 5 hours? So what have we got? If we graph it, we say that currently we're getting this is 1 inch per hour, and every hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, for the next 5 hours, we're losing 1/10 of an inch. So it's going to go down from, from 1 inch an hour down to 1/2 an inch an hour over the course of the next 5 hours. If you think about this, and this is how I like to think about it. If you think about it, this area is measured in roughly length times width. It's inches per hour times hours. It's inches. This area is going to tell you the total amount of snowfall in inches. You can see that you're getting more snow at first and less snow later on, but that's still a decent amount of snow. You either, to get a lot of snow, you either have to have a huge amount of snow for a short period of time, or what happens more likely, steady snowfall for a long period of time, like when a big storm moves overhead and then just parks itself over your community. Anyway, I'll just call it f of x. F of x is 1 minus 1/10 x, and the total snowfall is going to be the integral from 0 to 5 of 1 minus 1/10 x dx, which would be what? This would be x minus 1/10 x squared over 2, evaluated from 0 to 5. Don't forget, we have to plug both in. I'm just using zeros a lot. So we get 5 minus 1/10 of 25 halves. And I might as well divide both of these by 5 while I can. And so it's 5 minus 5 fourths. Oh, probably the nicest thing to do is factor out a 5 and get 1 minus 1/4, or 5 times 3/4, or 15/4, or a little under 4 inches, right? This is 3 3/4 inches. So, not so bad. If it had kept up at 1 inch an hour, we would have gotten 5 inches in 5 hours, but because it's tapering off, we get a little bit less. But I hope that you can think about this. Sometimes when you graph a situation, you'll realize that the units of your area is what you're looking for, and that is a clue that your answer can be obtained by calculating an integral.